Is your car dirty, but all the shops are closed due to quarantine? So you're just left there in the house with a dirty, old car? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to wash your car. You filthy animals. Okay, so firstly we'll be using Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash to wash all our cars. So the reason why we are using this car wash is because it is of high quality and it produces a lot of suds. We wash about 3 cars every week and it can last us about a year before the whole bottle finishes. So we will be washing 2 cars today, and as such we'll be putting 2 capfuls of the soap, followed by a little bit of water. So now we have 2 pails, and this is called the dual bucket method, where the first pail we are going to fill up with water, plain water, and the second pail contains the soap. Hey guys, so for now we're going to try to clean my sister's car rim. It is a steel rim. It is a second-hand rim, so it's not in the best condition. There's some scratches and all, but of course we want to try to keep it clean. So we have a few budget-friendly utensils that we like to use, which include a normal sponge, a kitchen sponge. We also use a baby bottle cleaner. This is to replace wheel woolies. Of course, if your car, you want to keep the inner surface smooth, you don't use this because it'll scratch it. But in our case, we don't really care because it's just a steel rim, so we use baby bottle cleaner. And lastly, for the tire and the sidewall, we use this rough brush type of thing. And lastly, the detergent we use to wash the rim is just a normal standard detergent you find in your house. A lot of people may say this is a bad idea, it's not good for the rim, but we've been using it for many years on our steel rims and nothing has happened, the rims are still clean. To those who use powder coated rims, I use Meguiar's Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner for my set of wheels. The reason being is that my wheels are powder coated with a matte black finish, and I have transferred the contents of this wheel cleaner into this little bottle, because this thing for some reason it leaks when I got it, so that's why I'm just transferring it to the small little bottle. It's easier to use. So I'll be using a wheel woolly to clean the barrel of the rim, while the face of the rim and the tire are using the same sponge and brush that I've used before. Now let's start washing the rims. Go.